Okay, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create categories in WooCommerce. Here we have a catalog that is currently in progress being created, and you'll see that there are categories and they each have some products in them, and some of them even have photographs representing the category. But I'm going to show you how to create categories. It's not very hard, but it's helpful to have someone show you how it's done. So once you're in your back end of your WordPress website, you're going to go to Products, and then click on Categories. From here, you'll be able to see all your existing categories on the right. And on the left, you can create a new one. I'm just going to make an imaginary category called Vite Plus. That'll be good. You can completely just ignore this slug section. It will be generated automatically for you. It's just something that is used for SEO, so don't really worry about it much. But parent category is sometimes important. You might want to make something a subcategory of another one. For example, Energique has a bunch of subcategories under it. If I wanted to make this a subcategory of Garden of Life, I could do that. The description is completely optional, but it just gives you a little bit more details about this category in general. Usually when I'm making categories, I don't worry about this at this step. I just basically fill in the name, maybe a parent category, and then hit Add New Category. Once I've created my new category, I can go down to the bottom here under Garden of Life, and you'll see a dash next to Vite Plus. That means it's a subcategory of that product. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And here, if I want to add a description, I can do that right here. Or if I want to change its parent or make it a top level, I can choose none. So I'm going to make it a parent. I'm going to change my mind and not make it a subcategory anymore. I'm just going to say, they are amazing. That'll do. And maybe I might want to even add a photograph or a thumbnail. I'm just going to pick an existing photo. This isn't for real, so I'm just going to grab this. That will be my image. If I hit update now, it will save my changes. And if I want to, I can then go to view category. You can see all of the products that are in this category, which right now there's nothing. I'm going to hit edit category again to go back. And anyways, I've made my changes. Looks good to me. I'm just going to go back to categories on the left to show you a little bit more. If you want to view the products that are in a specific category, all you need to do is click the number that is to the right. This number shows you how many products are in that category. If I click on this one, for example, you'll see just the products in this digestive enzyme category. If I want to reorder, if I want to organize these categories in a specific order, I can grab these three little lines here and I can drag it anywhere I want. So if I want to drag it right here, I can do that. And that just kind of adjusts how categories are displayed on the front end. One more thing too is when I'm adding products, let's say we're going in and we're just adding a brand new product. You can actually add categories at this point too. Let's just say I'm making a product and I say, let's see, board game. And I realize that I don't have a category for board games. I don't necessarily have to go out to categories and make it there. I can click add new category and say games, and then hit add new category. And then it will appear right here. And it'll already be checked, in fact, because it's usually assumed that when you're making a category here that you want this product to be in that category. So there it is. And if I want to uncheck it, I can do that. I'm not going to really save this, but if I did, I could hit publish. That would publish this product that I just made. But I'm just going to hit move to trash because we're not going to keep this product at all. It's just for demonstration. So that's pretty much the basics of how to use categories in WooCommerce. Not very hard, but it's an important thing to understand. Having good categories can make it easier for people to find what they're looking for. And it can be good for your SEO too if you do it right. Anyway, that's the basics. Thanks.